Welcome to Streaming Every Day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up an encoding ladder using FFmpeg. This is super important for adaptive streaming, which is what platforms like YouTube or Netflix use to adjust video qualities based on your internet speed. So what is an encoding ladder? Essentially, it's a set of video streams, each encoded at different resolutions and bitrates. Why? Because users have different internet speeds. You don't want someone with a slow connection buffering, while someone with a fast connection gets a nice crisp video. By the end of this video, you will understand how to create multiple quality levels for your own videos. And for that, let's get into the fun part. We're going to use FFmpeg to create 3 versions of a video. I have the command already here, and we start by telling FFmpeg which video file to work with. In this case, it's input.mp4. We obviously need to change that with the video that we want to encode. I already have a video, so I will replace the input with the video that I already have. And the next thing is the VF flag. VF flag stands for video filter, and here we are using the scale with it to resize the video. For the first stream, we are scaling it to the 1920 x 1080 resolution, defining the pixels horizontally and vertically. And this will create a scale of 1080 progressive version of the video. Similarly for the other streams. The BV flag specifies the video bitrate. Bitrate controls the amount of data used for each second of video. A higher bitrate means better quality but larger file sizes. Then we have the CV flag, which specifies the video codec. Here we are using libx264, which is a widely used codec that provides good quality and compression. And the next thing is the preset. Preset option lets you control the speed of the encoding process. The faster preset makes the encoding happen quicker, but at the cost of slightly larger files. So you can choose other presets like medium or slow, but for today's purposes, faster is what we are using here. And for the audio, you can see the CA, which is the audio codec, and we are using AAC. It's a common audio codec that delivers good quality at low bit rates. We are then defining the bitrate, which is 128, which is again a standard for most of the video streaming. Yeah, so finally we tell FFmpeg to output the file as MP4 file. For that we are using the F, which is the format. We name it according to the resolutions that we are defining. I already have the files, that's why it's asking for the overwrite, as I tried the command earlier. Yeah, so it will just process each video stream. This might take a few minutes depending on the size of your input file and the power of your computer, of course. Once it's done, you will have 3 versions of your video at different quality levels. And now that the encoding is done, let's check the results. I will just use FFplay to play the videos. And yeah, we can expect the 1080 version to be nice and crisp. And here it is, as expected. But when we compare it with the 480p version, which is a lower quality, but it will play better on slow internet connections, you can see the difference. The pixels are not as sharp as we saw it in the 1080p. So that's it. We have successfully created an encoding ladder with FFmpeg. You now have different versions of a video at different quality levels. And yeah, in the future videos I will show you how to package these files for adaptive streaming protocols like HLS or Dash, which are used by services like YouTube and Netflix. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more tutorials on video streaming.